everyone, it's Justin here at MarineMax, and today we're in Wakefield, Rhode Island. We're standing on a Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard, white hull as you saw in the pictures. I'm going to walk you through the boat, show you a few features. First thing I want to talk about is that Mercury WHT 200 V6. Plenty of horsepower to move this boat around. You've got this great lounger as you're moving forward, and you've got the sports tow bar right there. As you're moving into the boat, from the starboard side, you can see ample seating, right? For a 21-foot boat, can fit quite a few people. It's actually rated for 12 people. And as you come on in, you'll notice this cushion can come out, and this can be another leg rest. You can lift this and make this a nice lounger in this direction as well while underway. As you're standing there, you can see that it does have the sports tower. You can see that it does have the wakeboard connection, so you don't need a bridle off the back. You can actually wakeboard off the back of this. And this gives you a nice shade, provides you with some sun cover while out on the water. If you come on in, I'm going to show you a few more features here as we keep going. At the helm here, you'll notice it has a Simrad inlaid unit, which is a touchscreen multifunctional device. You can see you've got USB, USB-C charger there. You have your Fusion stereo. And one of the great features I like about this is when you're sitting, you have the automatic start-stop button versus using the old school turn key. And the active trim is nice and accessible for whoever's driving the boat. So up at the bow, you'll notice this beautiful sun pad lounging area, equipped with some stereo speakers there. And what's really nice about this, the access point, is if you just pull on this and lift it right up, you can stow this underneath, and that center cushion comes out, and you have a walkway going into two separate seats. Great feature with the Sea Ray SPX line. If you want to know more, come on down to 362 Pond Street in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Take a look at this boat or any other Sea Rays or all the boats we have available. Until I see you, I hope you guys have fun out in the water. Take care.